Ameriški predsednik Donald Trump je vendarle dobil nagrado za mir. Ne sicer Nobelove, ki so jo odkrito želi že leta, ampak novo nagrado za mir Mednarodne nogometne zveze FIFA. Ob sinočnem žrebu skupin za svetovno prvenstvo 2026 mu je v Washingtonu zlati pokal in medaljo v ta namen izročil predsednik FIFA Gianni Infantino. Kot pojasnjuje Infantino, si je Trump priznanje zaslužil zaradi izjemnih dejanj v podporo miru in združevanja ljudi po svetu. Kritiki pa FIFA očitajo, da je bila nagrada ustvarjena le za Trumpa, saj da ni bilo nobenega izbirnega postopka, žirije in ostalih nominirancev.
Mr. President, this is your prize, this is your peace prize. There is also a beautiful medal for you that you can wear everywhere you want to go.
Thank you very much. This is truly one of the great honors of my life. And beyond awards, Johnny and I were discussing this. We saved millions and millions of lives. The world is a safer place now. The United States 1 year ago was not doing too well. And now I have to say we're the hottest country anywhere in the world, and we're going to keep it that way.